Is it okay if I go first?
Please, Jimmy. We've been waiting for you to speak up, actually.
All right, yeah, I went bowling last night with the boys, you know, first time in a long time, and they started kissing. I wasn't expecting that.
Was it hot? What?
It was very hot, and I wasn't expecting that.
And how'd that make you feel, Jimmy?
Well, seeing as how this is Sexaholics Anonymous, pretty hot.
Now we gotta learn to control ourselves when our friends just start making out, as they do.
I did what you told me. I counted down from 100. Closed my
Yeah.
eyes.
And were they still kissing when you got to 0?
Yeah.
What do you do when you're the opposite? So I'm in Sexaholics Anonymous, but like, what do you do when you're the opposite of a sexaholic? Because like, I'm tired.
From having too much or not enough sex?
No, the concept of it.
Just tired of all of it.
It feels like played out. You know what I mean? Like, it feels like
you need more adventure sexually?
Yeah, it just feels like very 2004. Just sex feels very 2000, very everything.
2004 sex. Don't get me started.
And that's the scene.